welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am yours truly, Konikwa, your way to go lifestyle, beauty, and everything in between. Thank you guys to my returning subscribers. Please do a check-in, mark attendance, register with an emoji, a comment. Let me know how you're feeling today. And if it's your first time, please hit the subscribe button down below. It's free. It just means you support me, you love what I do, and you would love to know more, or you would love to see more things. So in today's video, I'll be giving you guys an update of 4 months having these babies on, how I maintain them, answering all your questions, because I've had questions asked, how do you maintain it, how do you take care of it, how do you wash it, and all of that. I'll be taking you through to products that I'm using. And if you're here today and you're thinking of installing this, just grab some snacks and chill, because I'll be unpacking on how I maintain it to look the way it's looking. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Like I promised that I'm gonna come back and update you guys on how it's doing, because initially my goal is to reach 6 months. So I'm coming to you with an update, and let's get to it. So I get questions like, how do you keep your hair so long and it still look new? Well, I wash my hair like it's my own. Taking care of your hair is very essential. So I'm just gonna go through a list of what I use, just normal, on the budget, not expensive, that's what I can afford. And yeah, simple routine that I have. To wash, I'm using the Organics 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. This is what I've been using ever since. Shout out to y'all's channel. I think one of the videos back, probably before COVID, if I'm not mistaken, she made a review of this and I went and grabbed it, and I've been using it ever since. Thank you so much, doll. And then this is just for washing. So that's all I'm using for washing. I just go down the shower and then just wet my hair, put on the shampoo, wash it 2 or 3 times. As soon as I'm happy with the washing, I let it sit on for a couple of minutes, just under 5 minutes, and then rinse it out, and then it's good to go. What I use for my daily care, in terms of sprays, moisturizing and stuff, I think on month 3 of using rosemary water. I just want to be consistent and see the result. This is what I'm using. And then I've got oils that I made and mixed up. Good oils. Castor oil in here. Coconut oil. I use black castor oil. Yeah, castor oil, I use the black one. I just DIY my oils. I work with the good oils. Alternatively, I also use this. I recently started on the Soft and Free hair extract. It's a cannabis and shea butter oil moisturizing spray. This is what I'm using. And for disclaimer, these are no paid promotions. This is just my experience sharing with you guys, and I'm using Kinky. This has lasted me close to 4 or 5 months. I don't use it like a lot, but yeah, as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner. So first things, I spray my hair with this, just as I'm styling my natural hair. To make it manageable, I use water or moisture, whatever you want to use. Let me take this out. I just spray my hair. Once I'm done spraying, a good amount of oil in. I'm not gonna put it because I've already done that. If I don't have the time for oil, I just use the oil moisturizing spray, and then I leave in the conditioner. I try to use this at least 3 times a week. If I skipped, yeah, but I cannot go a week without. I try to make sure I condition my hair. And yeah, that is it. So this is how my hair is looking, the front and the back. Not sure how good you guys can see, but this is how the back is looking. So due to my schedule, I'm not sure if I'll be able to take down my hair any moment. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Yeah, people say it looks new, still gray. Sometimes when I'm directly on the sun, my hair is a bit brownish and it appears, but otherwise I'm happy with how it looks. I just like the fact that it looks natural. And then I renewed my hair once. I'm just gonna show you how I renewed it. I don't want to renew it now because I feel like actually renewing it is nice, right? But having to take it out, it's a struggle, especially if it's renewed, because it's more like a locked method, you know, kind of. I'll show you now how it looks. So to renew my hair, this is what I use. And then I am going in with the braiding gel, any braiding gel of choice. I'm going to renew this one. So to renew it, I'll go with the gel around, then I just make sure the parts are nice and clean. Go in with my needle, right, and then I go right in the middle, pull it in. I hope I am crocheting in the right direction because, like I said, I renewed it once, so hopefully it's not going to undo the renewal. Okay, I'm feeling the tightness, so it's actually working. The problem with this is taking it down. For me, it's a hassle because I can't see the direction which the renewal was made on. Can you see that, guys? This is how the renewal looks. So I'm just gonna renew this one also, so there's gonna be like a difference of what I'm saying. So it's difficult and tricky for me to take it down, and for my husband, when he helps me, I don't want to make it too complicated for him to take down my hair. So yeah, so these are the renewed pieces. Do you see how they look? It looks very nice. It looks fresh, new. But I would rather leave it looking natural. I don't know. I'll think about it now that I renewed the middle part. It's gonna be visible. I'll think if I want to renew the entire hair, but that's basically how I renew my hair and how I maintain it. So all the products that I showed you guys is what I use. I am hoping this video is going to be helpful for you. Let me know down in the comment section what you would like to know more next and how you feel about it. Do you think I should take it down now, or you think I should hit my 6 months mark? Today marks, I think it's 14 weeks, 4 months. Yeah, 4 months. And I'm still happy with it. People still compliment me, so I'm like, why do I need to take it down if I still get compliments? No ways, no ways. And plus I'm a busy mom, so I need to sit down, and I need like a good 6 to 8 hours of just sitting and taking it down. Unfortunately, I do not have that, so let's rock it and see how far we get with it. So thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.